Hi, my name is Rebecca Iwerks. I'm with Namati and the Grassroots Justice Network, and we're here at COP29. We've been hearing a lot of questions about what do land rights have to do with carbon markets, and we wanted to take a minute to answer those questions. Carbon markets impact big areas of land, and often the land that they impact, grasslands or forestry or mangroves, tend to be areas of land where the people living on that land have insecure or informal tenure rights. What that means is that the national government or their customary laws might not recognize their legal right to be there, even though they've lived there for generations. It's particularly true for Indigenous people and for women, that they might have different rights to the tenure, to live on that land. It means when a carbon project happens, they don't have the same right to be a stakeholder of that project. So they might not be included have a legal right to be included in the consultation. And if there's something goes wrong in the project, they might not have the same right to a grievance. If something goes right in the project, they might not have the same right to benefit monetarily from that project. We can address this. The good news is that international law can help protect people who are in that situation by recognizing tenure rights. Other international bodies have already done this. The Convention on Biodiversity just 2 weeks ago recognized the importance of tenure rights. That has happened through the Convention on Desertification and the voluntary guidelines on forestry. We know that other international bodies know that this is an important issue, and that the governments here can make the same type of decision to message to Article 6.4 supervisory body that they need to include the recognition of land rights, formal and informal tenure, into their guidelines on the Sustainable Development Tool. And you can continue to be part of this conversation. Influence your government by telling the story about what is going on the land that you live that is impacted by a carbon project. Or show a picture or tell a story using hashtag carbon justice, hashtag Article 6.4.